Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Java web application and connect it to the server. In order to create a Java web application, you need to install an application which lets you write and run Java code, and I use Eclipse as this application. You just download it from the Eclipse website, and you need to have an operating system with 64-bit in order to run it. You just download the application, and then you just double click on the executable, and this is how it looks. You just have to click here on file, new, dynamic web project in order to create the application. Name it however you want, uh, and just click here on finish. You just click the arrow here, the arrow from Java resources, main Java, right click, new, and I recommend that you create a package first in order to manage the Java classes, and everything that you create easier. Click finish, right click on the package, and in order to create a web application you need a servlet, and I will just name it servlet. Click finish, and as you can see there are some errors which do not yet let me run the web application on the server. In order to solve these errors, I will just update the project. Right click on the project, configure, convert to maven project in order to be able to run the servlet and solve the errors. And I will just I still need some dependencies for the maven project in order to be able to run the servlet. I will just copy the dependencies from on another project of mine. I will also copy these dependencies uh, below the YouTube video, so that you can also access them and be able to run the Java project on the server. And I just I have just pasted the information into the XML file from the new project uh, below the version of the project. And now if I go to the servlet, click on save, Control S or file save, and click Control Shift O. You As you can see, all the errors have now disappeared. I will just save the project, and in order to run it on the server I first need to install a new server. I just click this link. I use Apache Tomcat version 10, and click on finish. As you can see, the server is now installed, and I'll just click on save. And in order to run the application on the server, I just run on server, select the server. As you can see, there is an error: project facet Java version 17 is not supported. In order to solve this error, I'll just right click on the project and go to build path, configure build path, project facets, and you just have to change the Java version from, in this case, 17 to 1.8. Apply and close, and just save. And now if I go to run on server and select the server, there is no more error. So now I can click on finish, and now the application should run on the browser, and as you see there is a message served at, which is the message from here. If I change it to, for example, hello, and click on save, go to the browser, click on refresh, if the message doesn't change like this, you just need to run it again. Run on server, finish, restart, and now the new message should appear, hello. And a great thing about the servlet is that it lets you to run HTML code and at the same time use use Java use Java code also. HTML alone only lets you run HTML code, and I will just show you what the servlet can do. I will just use the print writer class from Java. In order to use the class, I will have to create an object. I will name it out and use this one, response.getWriter, in order to instantiate the class, semicolons. And in order to solve this error, I will just click on Ctrl Shift O, and now the error has disappeared. And in order to show the HTML code on the website, I will just use the print method from the print writer class by using the object I have created. And now I will just copy the HTML code from my other project, from my HTML homepage. I will just copy everything from here to the servlet, and just close it with semicolons. Click on save. There are no errors, as you can see, and I will just run the application on the server again and restart server, finish. Just a second, you have to delete this line, which is which always appears when you create a servlet. Just save, run the application again, and now my home page should appear instead of that message. So this is basically what the servlet can do. It can show an HTML code, and as you can see, everything from here is usable. If I click this link, it will go. This URL will change from localhost 8080, the name of the class and the name of the servlet. It will go to my home page, and this is basically what the servlet can do. It can run HTML code from Java. Thank you, and see you in my next video.